As technology continues to advance, Sony remains at the forefront of innovation in audio devices. As per the scheduled launch, Sony has unveiled its latest addition to the true wireless earbuds market, the Sony WF-1000XM5. Packed with cutting-edge features and state-of-the-art technology, these earbuds promise to deliver an exceptional audio experience like never before. Dynamic Driver X for superb sound. The heart of the WF-1000XM5 lies in its newly developed Dynamic Driver X, a powerful driver unit that delivers clear highs and rich bass with minimal distortion. This driver not only enhances the overall sound quality, but also excels in reproducing lower frequencies, making your music come alive with depth and punch. High-resolution audio wireless with LDAC and DSC Extreme. Audiophiles will appreciate the support for high-resolution audio wireless through LDAC, which enables the transmission of high-quality audio content without compromising on sound fidelity. The addition of Digital Sound Enhancement Engine further enhances the music quality, upscaling compressed audio files to a nearly high-resolution level. Prepare to be immersed in your favorite tunes like never before. The 360 reality audio technology creates a three-dimensional sound space, surrounding you with an immersive feeling while listening to music. This feature works particularly well when paired with compatible music streaming services that offer 360 reality audio content. The WF-1000XM5 takes personalization to a whole new level with head tracking technology. Using built-in sensors, the earbuds can detect your head movements and adjust the sound direction accordingly, ensuring that the audio stays optimized, regardless of how you move your head. Sony's noise cancellation technology has always been top-notch, and the WF-1000XM5 takes it to the next level. 3 microphones on each earbud accurately capture ambient sounds, allowing the earbuds to produce precise noise cancellation. This is especially useful in noisy environments, as it allows you to focus solely on your music or calls without any distractions. To further enhance the noise isolation, the WF-1000XM5 comes with specially developed ear tips that reduce noise in the high-frequency range. This feature ensures an even more immersive audio experience, making it feel like you're in your own private concert hall. The WF-1000XM5 excels in call quality too. With an AI-based noise reduction algorithm and bone conduction sensors, the earbuds ensure that your voice sounds clear and natural, even in bustling environments. Additionally, the wind noise reduction feature minimizes wind interference during outdoor calls, ensuring smooth communication at all times. Sony has put considerable effort into ensuring a comfortable fit for extended use. The earbuds boast an ergonomic shape that fits securely in your ears, making them ideal for long listening sessions or active pursuits. Moreover, they are 25% smaller and 20% lighter than their predecessor, reducing ear fatigue significantly. The WF-1000XM5 offers an impressive battery life of up to 8 hours on a single charge, ensuring that your music accompanies you throughout the day. If you're in a hurry, a quick 3-minute charge provides 60 minutes of playtime. Additionally, you can charge the earbuds wirelessly using QI technology, adding more convenience to your life. The earbuds come equipped with autoplay, making them ready to use as soon as you put them in your ears. They also support popular music platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, allowing easy access to your favorite tunes. Gamers will appreciate the spatial sound technology, providing an immersive gaming experience. Sony's signature features like adaptive sound control and speak-to-chat are also present, adapting to your surroundings and enabling hands-free conversation. Sony has set the price of the WF-1000XM5 at $299 in the United States. At this price point, consumers can expect a top-of-the-line audio experience with features like high-quality sound, active noise cancellation, and intelligent controls. The Sony WF-1000XM5 will be offered in 2 sophisticated color choices, black and silver. Fans eagerly anticipating the release of the WF-1000XM5 won't have to wait much longer. Sony has confirmed that these cutting-edge earbuds are scheduled to hit store shelves in August. This global release means that customers around the world will be able to get their hands on the latest addition to Sony's audio lineup simultaneously. Thank you for watching this video, it means a lot to me. Have a nice day and God bless you.